Okay, what up YouTube? I'm gonna do this video on show you guys how to fix leaks around the seals of your rim. If you out riding and sliding and your tire keep going low, you may not need a new tire, things of that nature. So I'm gonna just give y'all a a look-see on how to fix the seals of the rims if you have any leaks here and there. So let's check this out. I'm gonna spray this thing down and give y'all an example of what I'm talking about. Because this tire was pretty much low, I just filled it up with air. You want to get the soap up in there good around the seal so you can see if you see any bubbles resonating. Okay, there you go. See, we have bubbles. And what you want to do is, if you see that, you want to take you a rubber mallet like so. Get it from your nearest I don't know, Harbor Freight or Walmart, whatever. Make sure it's a rubber mallet, not metal. You end up cracking or damaging your rim. So, man, you pretty much just take to it like this. It might take a few times, but you basically just bending the rim back. And you do that until you don't see any more bubbles. And that's all you want to do is go around your rim, make sure you don't see any leaks, and that's pretty much solve your problem. And you gotta give it another once over, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Tune in for more videos.